Hey, it's Brian from Cruising with the Coacmens. If you're coming to the Hershey or Tampa RV show, make sure you stop by and see us so we can show you this RV in person. But otherwise, let's take a tour of it right now. Up here in the front, I've got dual propane and a manual crank on my tongue jack. All the Nanos come with a manual crank. Did I mention this is the 190RBS model, by the way? It's a Nano, 7.5 feet wide. Here are all the stats for the length and the weight. Pass-through space, decent amount of pass-through space. And this is also where I'm going to find my solar charge controller. Solar panels come standard on the roof along with the charge controller. Here on the back side, I've got my storage in my bumper just like normal, my spare tire, and I'm prepped here for a backup camera. Let's take a look inside. One of the things I love on all of these units is this little Bluetooth speaker that they all come with. Pops off, you can take it outside, you can take it in the boat, you can take it on a hike, you can take it, don't take it on a hike. You can take it anywhere you want though. Here in the living space, I've got this gigantic 12-volt refrigerator and freezer. Notice all the space because it's a 12-volt. I've got all that extra space in here. And this RV's only been plugged in for about 15 minutes and it is already freezing cold in that freezer. Lots of storage space for 2 liters, wine bottles, cans, and all the food that you need to get you out on the road for a long weekend or heck, probably a couple of weeks. We've got a nice spacious dinette. And of course it does convert down into a bed just like normal. Good storage underneath on both sides. So that's another big plus. So while we're here, let's also take a look at this new decor. I really love what they've done. We've got this little chandelier light here. Plus we've got some new colors, this darker wood, and this really nice tabletop that's kind of got some gold accents in it, along with the black and gray. Here in the kitchen, we've got a convection microwave oven, a 2-burner stove, which allows me to have a whole lot more counter space because if I'm cooking for my family or for just my partner, I want to have some space to make good food. Got a couple of cabinets and drawers here, plenty of space. A lot more space over on the other side too. 2 more pull-out drawers and a tall and a short cabinet. Up above, lots of space here also. Big farmhouse single bowl sink, and we've carried that gold accent into all of our fixtures. Here in the bedroom, notice that I've got that great big window with a blackout blind, and blackout blinds are going on all of the other windows as well. The Stargazer window up here is an option. It comes with or without the Stargazer on all of the Nano units, and the placement varies depending on which floor plan you're looking at. Underneath the bed, standard bed storage, and I've got outlets and USB on both sides of the bed. Another feature that I love that they've done here is in this wardrobe, this shelf is removable and it just stows down below. So I can use it as 2 shelves or I can use it as hanging space, and the other one does the same thing. Plenty of space up here above as well. As we're leaving the sleeping space, I've got a TV back here. If I put an arm on it, it would swivel out so I could see it from the dinette or from the bedroom. Also, I've got a 15K air conditioner, so that's going to keep this relatively small unit plenty cold on those hot summer days. Here in the bathroom, let's start off with the toilet test. So this unit is only 7.5 feet wide, so I am a little bit limited on my elbow space here, but I've got a huge amount of pantry space here in the bathroom, along with another one below and another one even below that. In the vanity, I've got some medicine cabinet space, another space underneath. We've carried that gold accent into the bathroom, and our shower probably got about 6'3" in the clearance area right here, and more of those gold accents. All Apex and Nanos are coming with the Fugatti tankless water heater system, so that's another great feature. And despite what you've heard, they don't really use that much propane. If you want to see more videos about Coachmen Apex and remote tours, and you want to see more about RV lifestyle travel, please hit that like and subscribe button. Leave us a comment down below if you've got questions. We're here to answer them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next adventure.